In this tutorial, you will learn how to safely remove the product from the shipping package. Open the carton. Remove the setup guide. Follow the setup guide instructions as you set up your printer. Remove the interface cable. Remove the power cord. Remove the power supply and safety notices. Remove the packing tray. Remove the printer. Open the printer. Remove the label and test prints. Close the printer. Save all packing materials if you plan to repack, reship the printer.